This is the John Deere 310B backhoe being sold. It's got the 88-inch front bucket, 24-inch hoe bucket. We've had people here today starting it up and driving it. That's the hoe going out. You got a 24-inch hoe bucket right there. So anyhow, if you want to come by and try it out for yourself, feel free to do so. You can do some digging with it, do whatever, make sure it operates to your satisfaction. But anyhow, it's a good hoe. The second owner, the guy that's selling this hoe, is the second owner of it. It sells Thursday, September 30th.